In today's fast-paced dating world, breadcrumbing has become a common, albeit hurtful, practice. Here are 5 signs that may indicate you're being breadcrumbed. The first sign is inconsistency. They might be hot and heavy one day, then cold and distant the next. Abrupt cancellations or last-minute changes in plans are the second sign. This person may often cancel on you or reschedule at the last minute. The third sign is non-committal behavior. If they're continuously vague about the status of your relationship, that's a huge red flag. Fourthly, they might have a tendency to pop up out of the blue. You don't hear from them for days, and then suddenly they appear with an alluring message. The fifth sign is lack of progress. Weeks or even months go by, but your relationship seems to be at a standstill. Breadcrumbing is a strategy where the breadcrumber gives just enough attention to keep the other person hanging on. It's a manipulative behavior that plays on people's emotions and leaves them in a state of uncertainty. The goal of the breadcrumber is not to forge a meaningful connection, but to keep their options open. This behavior can be emotionally draining for the person on the receiving end, causing feelings of confusion and frustration. Remember, everyone deserves respect and honesty in a relationship. If you're experiencing these signs, it might be time to confront the person about their behavior. Recognizing these signs is the first step towards breaking free from the cycle of breadcrumbing. While it's hurtful to be breadcrumbed, it's important to remember that it's not a reflection of your worth. You're deserving of a relationship where your emotions are valued and your time is respected. Don't be afraid to set boundaries for yourself and communicate your expectations clearly. Breaking free from breadcrumbing can open the door to healthier and more fulfilling relationships. Remember, the right person for you won't leave you guessing about their feelings or intentions. In the end, recognizing breadcrumbing for what it is can be the first step in finding the relationship you truly deserve. So, keep your head up high and don't let breadcrumbing bring you down. You're worth much more.